Hey, what's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are going to be looking at some of the top tech items for 2018. Let's check them out. So it's not going to be that hard to see why this one is number one on my list. This is the MacBook Pro 2018 edition. This is mid-tier model. This is 250 gigs, 8 gigs of RAM. You actually have your touch bar on deck right up here. Just to show you, so you don't think I'm playing. Touch bar is a go right there. It's rocking Mojave on it. It's just a beast of a computer for editing, for calling, for FaceTime, for music, for production. This thing is gonna do everything that you need. Now you can get these in varying prices. You can get them in varying colors as well. But right now, base model for this one is starting at $14.99. Sometimes you can get them for a little bit cheaper, but you're gonna go anywhere from $14.99 on this up until about $25.99. But well worth it if you're going to be doing heavy media projects, you're going to be doing video editing, you're going to be doing sound recording, anything that you need. This MacBook Pro is going to get you where you need to go. Coming in next, right behind MacBook Pro, is the iPad Pro 11-inch with the brand new Apple Pencil. This has been the best tablet I've used in a while. Now, I do have other tablets. I'm actually going to use another tablet in this review, but for right now, this tablet is one of the best I've come across for entertainment, for work, for play, basically anything you need to do. Now, my only qualm with this is that I cannot plug a hard drive into it. So Apple, if you're listening, please get us some support so we can have SSD hard drives, and this will be the perfect device. But speaker quality is awesome on this. Camera quality is great. Apple Pencil is smooth and fluid. Actually has a new touch sensor where it can do different commands by you double tapping it. So go pick you up one. Base model is going to start you at about $7.99 all the way up to about $15.99. While we are talking tablets, might as well mention this one. This is the Samsung Galaxy Tab S4. Now, this tablet is not going to be the iPad, but it's its own thing. It's going to bring you a different feel, a different workflow. Now, over here, you can use SSD hard drives. So I might as well give you my next pick. This is the Samsung T5. This is a portable SSD, 500 gigs. It is going to be super fast, super strong. So this wins out where the iPad fails. Now, iPad does have Face ID, which is flawless. This has facial recognition. It is what it is. It works sometimes, sometimes it doesn't. I've just found that my Face ID works all the time. Facial recognition, depending on your circumstances or your lighting, it may work, it may not work. But top tech device, go check out one of these tablets. You can get them now anywhere from $4.99 up until $6.99. With so many of our new devices not having 3.5 millimeter headphone adapters, you need a good pair of earbuds. This is WRZ. These are wireless wired earbuds. Now, they're wireless because they don't connect to your device. They are wired because they connect to each other. These earbuds have great sound quality. They're waterproof, so they're made to go to the gym. They're made to go through strenuous things out in the rain. You're going to clasp them together once they're around your neck. They're magnetic. They don't come loose. They are charged by a micro USB that we see right there. They have power, up and down volume. Basically, they're all out nice headphones. They come with their own charger and extra ear tips and earbud little adapters. So I'll leave a link below. You can go and pick up a pair of these. They're going to run you anywhere from about $20 to $25 depending on the color that you want. But great company, great device. Go check them out. WRZ. earbuds for life. Next up, we have the iPazzport remote. Now, this remote is awesome because it comes with USB connectivity. You use plug and play. So you plug your USB into whatever device you want to use, your smart TV, your tablet, your computer, and this acts as a trackpad, and you get a keyboard right here. So this works on Apple TV, it works on Sony TV, it works on Android TVs, it works on Chromebooks, you name it, it works. It's basically just a plug and play device that you're gonna charge up, has a backlit keyboard. Let's see if we can get some colors. There we go, change the colors up. Has a backlit keyboard. It also has infrared, so you can actually program this to work on a regular TV. Instructions come in the box. I also have a video on it. I'll leave a link below to this device. But right now, this is one of the top tech items of 2018, the iPazzport remote. This is the Amazon Echo Plus. This is 2018's model. Now, the only difference that you're going to get here is there's an internal thermostat. You get a little bit of upgrade on the speaker system. And now you have a Zigbee engine where you don't need to have a hub in order to work certain devices. Now, your Philips Hue light bulbs used to have that hub. Now you can just buy those bulbs, plug them in, and you're ready to go. So check out this Amazon Echo Plus. This one is going to run you about $149, but I think it's well worth the upgrade. I'm really digging the color, the shape, the sound quality is awesome. So yeah, go check it out. I'll leave a link below where you can go pick up one of these. This, my friends, is the Google Home Hub. Now, these get a lot of bad press because people think that they're invading your privacy. Guess what? Somebody's always listening to your conversation. It doesn't matter. This now integrates a screen with Google. So basically, you can tell this to show you something on YouTube or play a movie that you purchased on the Google Play Store. Anything you need to do now, you can do it. I keep this one in the kitchen. If I ever need any recipes, any advice, I can ask it the keyword. I'm not going to say it because it'll go crazy, but I'll ask it the keyword. It'll pull up something on YouTube. It'll show me a video. $149. You can get one of these. Some places have them now for $129, but I think it's a really good investment if you like smart home devices. Here we have treVolo S. This is by BenQ. Now, BenQ makes these nice portable electrostatic speakers. These have these diaphragms that's going to basically drown out any static that you would normally get from a Bluetooth speaker. I've been using this for a few days now. This speaker is awesome. And if you get more than one, you can actually pair them together and one will be your right, one will be your left. But great sound quality, great gadget, great tech for 2018. This speaker is going to run you about $200, but I'll leave the link below and a special promo code. You can use that and get up to 10% off at this time. Last but not least, we have the Nintendo Switch. You may be saying, why are you saying Nintendo Switch is the top tech of 2018? Well, my reason being, this is the most portable game system that has ever existed. Real gaming system, not like a Game Boy or a 3DS. This does 3D graphics, it does real-time gameplay, it does internet, it does everything that you need. These come off. You can actually stand this up and play. It has connectivity for up to 8 players at a time. Right now we got Smash going, so you know we can get up to 8 players playing this. But this is Nintendo Switch. It's going to run you anywhere from $149 to $200. Go pick you up one. So from computers to tablets to remotes to pencils to pens to storage data to smart home devices to speakers to gaming, 2018 has brought us a lot of different things tech-wise. This is just a few of them. Hopefully you like these. If you don't, let me know which ones you like, and maybe I can put a video up before 2019 gets here for your favorite tech. Honorable mention, the iPhone 10. I had to put this one out just because it is one of the best phones to come out this year. We also have the Note 9. It was a great phone. Honorable mention to the Note 9. You know what to do. Hit that thumbs up. Please subscribe. And until next time, Average Tech Guy out. Peace.